ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Santa's Workshop. Today, we've got a neat little thing here. It's a VITILAN U7 e-bike. Now, this is going to be interesting because it has been quite a few years since Santa's been on a bike. I usually let the elves try them out, but we're going to try this one out ourselves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this thing, and we're going to get it out here on all the parts out here on the table and go through them, and we're going to put this thing together, and then we're going to take it for a test drive. I'm thinking about taking it to town, out into the park, show you the little park in my little hometown. It's a nice little place. But thank you, VITILAN, for sending this to us. We're going to give it a try. Let's see what we can do. All right, I got this thing set where you can see down in the box. We're going to open her up right here. And we're going to start out unpacking this thing, laying it all out on the table. Looks like we're going to have to just slide it out on the floor here. Okay, I got to give kudos to whoever was working in the shipping department and packed that in that case. That was in there now. Okay, let's open up the box, see what we got by way of instructions. Cable. Oh, we got a toolkit. Let's see what all we got in this toolkit. Got a 15, a 13, 14, 17. Oh, now this is neat. Phillips and straight screwdriver. So it looks like it comes with every tool that you're going to need to work on this thing. Right there is our pedals. Got them marked left and right. And these are not plastic either. These are machined aluminum. Wow. Oh, you see that? So you can just fold them up out of the way to store it. Bottle rack. We have a nice bound book here for operation and maintenance. And I believe this will be our charger. Lithium-ion battery charger. A little maintenance book with that. Okay, let's get some of this other wrapping off and see what we got here. Now then, I do have to admit, I was concerned, me being over 300 pounds, would this thing be able to hold me up? I have no doubts it's going to hold me up just fine. This is one very well made bike. Very, very hefty. I mean, nice TIG welding everywhere, good solid steel frame. I have no doubts that this thing is going to do just fine. Well, I am going to set it down on the floor and we're going to finish opening things up. Then I want to read how this thing works. Okay, after I got the bike together and I went over everything really good, you know, check as much as I could. Apparently I didn't check well enough. We had an incident to where my handlebar latch come undone. And doing this while you're riding is never a good thing. But you saw how easy that was for me to unlatch. I did not realize you could tighten up the latch more by tightening up this screw. Contacted the company, they told me what to do, but what had happened was while readjusting, I knocked this out of the way of this, so when I hit a bump, it just come undone. Absolutely nothing to do with the way this bike is made. It's made great. The company took care of me, but I had a pretty significant accident. I'm fine, doing good, recovering, but just as a public service announcement, it doesn't matter if it's this. If you buy a car that someone has built, it is always a great idea to go over it as best you can, especially all the safety systems, brakes, wheels, everything like that. Make sure everything's tight, everything's good. So I'm going to tighten this up, and since I can't ride right now, my daughter is going to help me finish the video and we'll take it for a test run. All right, here we have the VITILAN U7 Folding E-bike. It's got a front cargo rack. It's got 20x4 tires on aluminum wheels with disc brakes. We get on up here. There is the safety latch, or for the steering, which I put a zip tie on. We have a very high resolution screen that you can see in the daytime, bright sunlight. Tells you your mileage, your trip, your battery charge. We have the 7-speed Shimano, which has got auto shift, which is really cool. We've got a horn button. Right above the horn button, we have the signal lights. And we get down here, there's your main frame latch. All aluminum pedals and gears. Your battery has a voltage test on it as well. There's your Shimano 7-speed gears, aluminum wheels on there, and your back luggage rack. The seat even has a shock. All in all, this is a phenomenal bike. Okay, everybody. I'm going to introduce you to my stand-in rider. This is Day. Say hi, Day.
Hi, Day.
How'd I know you was going to say that?
Because I'm as ornery as you are.
Of course you are. So, we're going to set this thing up for Day, and we're going to get her some safety equipment, which I was not smart enough to wear. So, we don't have a bicycle helmet, but in case she sees a low-flying softball coming at her, she is safe. And we're going to set her up with some knee pads, but we're going to get her all geared up, and then we're going to start riding.
Well, you guys, this is super easy to handle. It's a lot of fun, even for a chicken like me. It's not squirrely at all. These tires are big enough to keep you going straight and not worry about the wheel being too wobbly. Which, like I said, I'm a chicken, so. 22 miles per hour. And I'm going downhill and I'm going to chicken out a little bit. I tell you what, this is a lot of fun. I don't generally get to do stuff like this because I got 5 kids. But when Santa's your dad, you get to tell him to babysit for a minute. I love how heavy this is. It feels like it's really solid. It's not gonna wipe me out. This digital screen on this is just amazing. I can see how fast I'm going. I can see how far I've gone. It's just so nice. You know, the way this thing feels, I could honestly let my kids ride this and I would be just fine with that. And then I lost the phone. Dad's gonna kill me.
Well, Dave, what did you think?
It was a lot of fun.
Was it fun?
It was a lot of fun.
So, you had the fun I did before I went boom. Okay. Did it ride good?
It really did. I was worried that it was going to be squirrely like a bicycle is.
Right.
But it's not. It feels heavy and like it's going to stay where you want it to instead of, whee.
Right. And it's, what I found amazing about it is the suspension and everything actually takes a lot of the bump out of it.
Smooth ride. It really was.
So.
I mean, it probably, I don't know if it looks like it on camera or not.
Well.
but it wasn't that bad at all.
Well, the camera mount actually didn't make the ride. But that has nothing to do with the bike. That was mine. So. But this is a VITILAN U7. The controls, did you see how fast you went?
Yeah, I think I went a total, I think the highest I went was 28.
You got 4.9
miles.
You went.
And that gauges how fast you go.
Right.
And your lights, if it needs to be low light and high light.
Now then, you also got your signal lights, which, let me get back here and show this. Okay, do the other side. Good. Now turn on the headlights. That was the horn. There's the headlights. That's your regular running light. Hit the brake. There's your brake lights. Now let's get around here and show the headlight. Swing them back this way. Oh yeah, those are bright. But what I really love about it, you didn't change gears here, did you?
No, I didn't.
Watch this.
Oh, that's simple.
That's how you switch gears. You just push the button. It's an automatic gear switch.
Nice.
But this is your control panel, and you can hit info, and it gives you the trip.
The max mile per hour, yep.
28.3. So you almost maxed this thing out.
I tried.
Well, I think you did good. Thank you, Dave.
You're welcome.
You'd be a good spokesperson for this company. And thank you all for sticking around with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the link below to get yourself one of these. I think they're going to have a discount code for you. If not, it's a great bike. Honest, it is. Take care. We'll see y'all soon on Santa's Workshop.